Little storyteller.
Whiskers the cat had soft gray fur and bright green eyes. He loved to play with his bouncy feather toy. Blue the dog was big and fluffy with floppy ears and a wagging tail. He loved to chew on anything he could find. The sunny living room had a soft blue rug and a big window looking out at green trees. Whiskers held his feathery toy in his mouth and wiggled it in front of Blue. "Woof!" barked Blue, his tail thumping happily on the rug. He thought the colorful feathers looked like a tasty snack. Whiskers swished the toy up high, trying to show Blue how to pat it with his paw. Blue jumped up, trying to catch the feathery toy in his mouth. "Grr!" he playfully growled, thinking it was a game of chase. Whiskers blinked slowly, his green eyes wide. He wasn't sure Blue understood. Then Whiskers had an idea. He dropped the feather toy and nudged a soft, squeaky bunny towards Blue. The bunny had long, floppy ears and a fluffy white tail. Blue's eyes lit up. He gently took the bunny in his mouth and gave it a little squeak. Whiskers purred and rubbed against Blue's leg. Blue wagged his tail happily, holding the squeaky bunny carefully. They both had fun playing with the toys they liked best. Sometimes friends like different things, and that's okay. Playing together, even in different ways, is always fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.